So we help people defer capital gains tax on the sale of highly appreciated assets. It could be cryptocurrency, it could be a business, it could be primary homes, it could be stock, public or private. And we also work with professionals who help them. Part of our vision is helping the top 5% of all financial advisors, CPAs, luxury realtors, commercial real estate brokers, crypto experts know about something called a Deferred Sales Trust, so they can also help their clients as well defer, hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars of capital gains tax.
Nice. How did you get into this?
So I got into the Deferred Sales Trust in 2009, and that's when I got started. And the reason, the why behind it is kind of maybe the even more important question is I had a lot of clients, friends, and family lose half to all of their wealth in the 2008 crash. And so we quickly wanted to assess what happened and what we could do about it in the future. And one of the things that we found was that people had done what's called the 1031 exchange, and they had just kind of done one too many of these and had too much debt or not enough diversification, not enough liquidity. And so we saw people lose half or all of their wealth that they had built up for years. And this is also for business owners as well who wanted to exit. And so seeing kind of the blood in the streets here, and we're filming in Sacramento, one of the biggest boom cities and bust cities in America during that time, kind of forged the vision for if there's a better way, we've got to find it.
Nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So why are you passionate about this?
So I love helping my clients finally feel like they can either retire, they can start that new business venture. In other words, unlock that vision for their wealth plan, whether that be more time with family, whether that be like a client named Chuck, who we just helped a few months ago, sell an apartment complex in Arizona. And he said, Brett, you know what? The thing I'm most looking forward to is not having to anticipate that phone call from my tenants, because he loved his tenants and he poured blood, sweat, and tears for 25 years to help manage the properties that he owned. And he just goes, I was just ready to retire. I was ready to be diversified. I was ready to have some liquidity. And I was ready just to live off some passive cash flow. And or clients like our cryptocurrency clients that are looking to start that business venture or diversify into real estate and do it in a tax efficient way brings a lot of joy to me. And as Californians, not a lot of us like to pay taxes because we're paying a lot of them. So if we can use legal framework to use something that's available to all of us, it can unlock that freedom and that preservation of wealth.
Brett, what's the future of the company? What's your vision?
So our vision is to train and equip over 100,000 business professionals with the Deferred Sales Trust so they can help their clients defer millions of dollars of capital gains tax. So part of what we're seeing right now is the largest wealth transfer in the history of the planet. In fact, there's about $32 trillion that's going to transfer from the baby boomers to the millennials in the next 20 years. And that includes high-end primary homes, businesses, commercial real estate, as well as cryptocurrency. And so if we can train and equip a lot of these advisors to help their clients, not only can they add value and grow their business, but the tax deferral is substantial because either the wealth is going to be in the hands of, let's say, more of the government, or it's going to be the hands more of the entrepreneurs and the families. And our goal is to use every legal means necessary to keep it in the hands of the people so that we can create and preserve more wealth. We can start more businesses, we can create more jobs, we can do more good for society when we have that wealth in our hands. And so that's the vision, is to really equip those business professionals. And of course, helping high net worth individuals, right? Because every single week we're closing deals for folks that are coming to us directly. And then we're working with either financial advisors or CPAs or commercial real estate or luxury agents or cryptocurrency experts to perfect this. We want to bring everyone together. A lot of these wealth services or tax strategies, they tend to separate different professionals. And our goal is to equip everybody with the strategy, work alongside of them. Our particular role as a trustee or third-party unrelated trustee. At one point, I was securities licensed, but I gave those licenses up in order to serve the financial advising community as well. But my biggest passion is not only for those who are wanting to go into the stock market world, but those who are in the cryptocurrency world that want to get into real estate or want to start another business venture. Those who maybe want to retire. We just helped a dentist out of New Jersey. He practiced for about 25 years. And he had about a $1.7 million business sale and about $600,000 of taxes. For him, that was a big part of their family wealth. And so for him to be able to defer that tax, to live off that extra cash flow, means a lot for that family and also for their kids in the future. So any way we can make an impact to change lives, that's what we're about.